It's time to rise and shine. Let's do it. Hello everyone, I hope you are having an awesome day and I hope you are making 100% out of your day. It's a new day, new beginning. Go out there, crush your goals and be awesome. Today I want to talk about failures. So a failure should not be taken as a failure. It's a part of the success, it's a part of the grind, and you can definitely learn a lot from your mistakes, from your failures. Think of it like this: if you wouldn't have tried the thing that you failed at, how would you have known that you would fail at it? So it's a good thing that you failed. Now you know that this is not the right way to do the thing, so you may make modifications to it or may do it another way, but what's up people, we are going to the gym and we will be hitting some shoulder and chest and triceps today. So let's get it done. I begin to So what's up guys, I'm done with the workout and I feel awesome guys. I've been trying the targeted ketogenic diet for a little while. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it after trying it for more time, and actually the energy levels are much more guys. I'm able to push more in the gym and I feel it's good for building muscle. Let's see, I'll tell you the results and how I feel about it after a while. Awesome weather, yaar. Loving it. So hey people, that's my keto dinner for today. Let me go over it once. So here I have some Atlantic salmon guys. This is fried in ghee and it has some bell peppers along with it. Next here I have a chicken leg guys. So this one had spinach with it. So spinach is finished, only the chicken leg is left. Next here I have some pieces of chicken which are marinated and then fried. So these are boneless pieces of chicken, and this was something that I ordered from outside. So That's a keto roti, and it had palak paneer along with it. So just two pieces of paneer are left. And moving on, here I have a perfect ripe avocado, guys. And I love eating avocados, especially in India. We don't get avocados that are ripe like this, ready to eat, because most of them, they go bad after a little while. And that was my dinner. I had to switch off the fan to shoot the video, that's why I'm sweating. And I will be having this and enjoying the dinner. तो दोस्तों, I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. और आज एक्चुअली मेरा वीडियो डालने का कोई प्लान था नहीं, बट पता नहीं क्यों मेरा मन किया. और दिस इज द फर्स्ट व्लॉग दैट आई हैव डन. तो गाइज टेल मी, आप लोगों को कैसा लगा कमेंट्स में बताओ. अगर ऐसी और वीडियोस आपको देखनी है तो मुझे ज़रूर कमेंट्स में बताओ. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया एक्चुअली ये वीडियो एडिट करने में, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें बता पाया मैं एक ही वीडियो में. तो आप मुझे ज़रूर बताओ अगर आपको और ऐसी व्लॉग्स देखने हैं. एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग गाइज, कीप लविंग योर बॉय. अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, जय माता दी, टेक केयर, लव यू ऑल. I begin to